Locking apps on iPhone can be a great way to keep your information private or prevent unauthorized access. As of iOS 18, Apple doesn't natively support locking individual apps with a password or Face ID Touch ID. However, you can use the following methods to achieve similar results. 1. Using screen time to restrict app usage. This method doesn't lock apps per se, but limits their usage. 1. Open settings on your iPhone. 2. Go to screen time. 3. Tap on app limits. 4. Select ad limit. 5. Choose the category or specific apps you want to limit. 6. Set a time limit for the app. 7. Tap add in the top right corner. When the limit is reached, the app will be inaccessible until the limit resets. 2. Using guided access for temporary locking. Guided access is useful for temporarily restricting access to certain apps. 1. Open settings on your iPhone. 2. Go to accessibility. 3. Scroll down and tap guided access. 4. Turn on guided access and tap on passcode settings to set a passcode that controls the use of guided access and prevents someone from leaving an active session. 5. Open the app you want to lock. 6. Triple-click the side button or home button for older models to start guided access. 7. Adjust settings if needed and tap Start. To end guided access, triple-click the side or home button again and enter your passcode. 3. Using a third-party app. There are some third-party apps available that provide additional privacy features, but be cautious and ensure they are from reputable developers. 1. Search for app locker apps in the App Store. 2. Download a trusted app. 3. Follow the app's instructions to set up and lock your apps. Tips: keep your iOS updated, as new features may be added in future updates. Use Face ID Touch ID for security-sensitive apps like banking or passwords. These methods provide different levels of app privacy, depending on your needs.